Welcome to Jemma channel. I will share how to make hot and sour shelled potatoes today. Sliced green onion. Remove the seed. Shred it. Choose a coarse grater. Grated potato. Soak in water to remove excess starch. Increase crispness. Stir-fry the peppercorns for fragrance. Take out. And garlic, green onion, and dried chili. And green pepper. And potato. Stir fry. Stir fry. Please try. Share it and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in a comment. Follow my channel to watch a video and first time. Thanks for subscribing and watching. See you soon.